Turn them on, Claire. Whee! That was quick. Are you all done? You coming to look? Go ride Zebra. Go ride Zebra. Hi, Claire. Claire, where are your ears? Where are your ears? Can you show Mommy your ears? Yay! Claire, where's your tongue? Show me your puppy face. Yeah! Good job. Claire, where's your mouth? Can you show me your mouth? That's your mouth. Where's your nose? Beep, beep. That's your belly button, silly. Sit down. Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? That's your belly button. Where are your stinky feet? Where are your stinky feet? Huh? Can I see your stinky feet? You okay? Claire, look over here. Look at Mommy. Hi. Claire. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.